Today I will be making a wedding cake iced latte. If you seen, I did the wedding cake taste. I'm still on that kick, the punch, the slap. I'm just on that. So yeah, I decided, okay, I'm gonna do the iced latte too. So I'm gonna do two versions. This video is actually gonna be with the buttercreams that I have for the taste test. And I know some people are like, okay, I don't have that cream. Exactly, that's why the second video that I'm gonna drop after this, Lord's will, is going to be with like some of the things that's in the frosting that's on hand. My coffee, I have my salt, I have my buttercreams. Now the only buttercream that I don't have is the Earl Grey because I tore it up. But I have the other ones, pistachio, key lime, the cream cheese. I think this is caramel. Yeah, and the orange buttercream. I try to eat that up, but yeah, I still got some of that. So yeah, I'm gonna use all those. I got my heavy whipping cream. I got my regular milk. Yeah, that's about it, yeah. I'm gonna get started. To make my iced coffee, I'm gonna use my funnel. Yeah, because I don't want to waste anything. Like 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, put the top on there and shake it up. Alright, so I'm gonna put that to the side and show you my next step. I'm gonna put all my buttercream here so I can be able to incorporate better. I'm not putting no sugar because this is already sugared up. I'm trying to see which one I'm gonna use as my cold foam. I was thinking key lime. This is the orange buttercream. I'm gonna use a spoonful of this. This is the pistachio, not sure. I think it is. I'm gonna take another spoonful, put that in there. All that shit, You can put less if you want to, but I gotta put more, baby. I don't know why people, they act like they see a recipe, they gotta do it exact. You don't have to do it exactly like, I'm just giving you an idea. If you don't like that much sugar, or if you like more sugar, or if a person like more salt or less salt, come on now. If a recipe calls for onions, and then if you watch my channel, you know, if it ain't sauteed and diced, I don't want it. Or sometimes it's green onion, but it gotta be, yeah. Feel me? You don't have to put the onions on your plate. You ain't gotta cook with it. You can use the granulated onions, I say. Oh my gosh. People these days. Alright, and this, I think this is the cream cheese one. I'm gonna put a little salt in here to balance it off. Take a little bit of my coffee, since I'm putting it after anyways, and pour it in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that on up, y'all. It smells so good. I blended it up, but it's not blended all the way. I know I can like get, I'm not doing all that. Now I have a frother, so I'm gonna add a little bit more milk and blend it up again. Now it is a little bit of, not, I guess, you know how you got like that grain stuff in it, so I'm gonna strain it. It smells good though. Okay, I'm gonna make the cold foam now. I'm gonna go ahead and put some key lime in. Now I'll put a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Alright, before I process this as well. Okay, here it is, y'all. I was gonna say, why I got specks in it? Oh, I forgot it was from that chop. My bad. Put this aside and I'm gonna go ahead and assemble. Okay, I got my cup and it got ice in it. The last finishing touch. Now y'all like, wait, what? What last touch? The garnish. Like the flour, but it's parsley in a little. Can you see it? Can you dig it? And tell me why it smells so good. And tell me why it looks so good. I ain't do that in minute. It's sugared up enough. I know y'all like, okay, I'm thinking the same thing like, come on now. It's sugar all up in here. And the buttercream, so come on. Don't disappoint me. Pretty, ain't it? Let me take this out. You ever see, I think this is so not smart. You ever see like the shows, they put the ring inside the cupcake and then the woman eat it, and like, why would you do that? That's dangerous. And then also too, I don't want no type of inside of my food. I barely even wanted to put this inside of my drink. So I keep this one in there because it ain't got no Alright, before I shake it up, not shake it, mix it up, I'm gonna just drink it like this. Mmm. I haven't got to mix it in. I can taste the sugar. I definitely taste that coffee. I know some people, when I say I definitely taste the sugar, you think? Uh-huh. Mm. Mm. Since I'm shaking it up, I'm tasting more. I think that was that pistachio. I'm tasting more of the pistachio, a little bit of that key lime, but it ain't as strong as I thought it would. Cause I put key lime all over, and I thought this would be the main one I taste before I stirred it. It's still just a teensy bit grainy, not as much. I taste the coffee and the sugar. Okay, I taste like another flavor. Maybe it's a little bit of the buttercream, not as much though. I did drink about up, but just a teensy bit grainy, I'm not gonna lie. I know somebody gonna be like, I just know it. Just a teensy bit of, a little bit of sugar. Dang, how much you need? You know? Obviously more. Thought I said that. I would rate this. I like the creativity of, me putting the garnish and the little diamond ring thing, flavors of the buttercream. I can 9.2. I'm gonna see if the other one that I do with the regular, I'm pretty sure I'll probably incorporate it. You can stay tuned for the other one that I'm gonna drop. Lord's will. Y'all have a blessed day.